Have you noticed this? You fix one part of your life, you start eating better, you get more disciplined, you feel motivated, and somehow something else falls apart. Your energy drops, your focus slips, your peace disappears. What if the problem isn't you? What if your ecosystem is unhealthy? Most people treat personal growth like a checklist. Fix your body, fix your mindset, fix your habits, one at a time. But life doesn't work like that. You're not a machine with separate parts. You're a living system, an ecosystem. And ecosystems don't improve through force. They improve through balance. Your mind, body, and spirit are constantly talking to each other, even when you're not listening. Think about it. When your sleep improves, your focus sharpens. When your thoughts calm down, your body carries less tension. When you feel aligned with something meaningful, motivation doesn't need to be chased. It shows up. That's the symbiotic feedback loop most people miss. They push discipline on a tired body. They demand focus from an anxious mind. They search for purpose while ignoring their health. And then they wonder why growth feels fragile. Here's the shift. You don't build self-mastery by fixing parts. You build it by nurturing connections. Small actions done consistently feed the whole system. A short walk doesn't just help your body, it clears your thoughts. A moment of stillness doesn't just help your spirit, it improves decision-making. One healthy habit doesn't stay in one lane, it spreads. That's how ecosystems heal. Not through extremes, through alignment. And this part matters. Your ecosystem is unique. What restores one person might drain another. What grounds you may not ground anyone else. So instead of asking what habit should I copy, ask this. Where is my system weakest right now? Is your body asking for rest? Is your mind overloaded with noise? Is your spirit disconnected from meaning? Start there. Because when one area stabilizes, the others follow. That's sustained growth, not motivation spikes, not burnout cycles. You don't need more pressure, you need a healthier ecosystem. So the question isn't what should I fix next? It's this. What happens when you finally nurture the whole system instead of fighting yourself?